Sarah'sTable. Today we are making veggie kabobs. So this is a good barbecue option for those who are vegetarians, especially this summertime. This is really good and very refreshing and so colorful too. So our ingredients, we have red bell peppers and yellow bell peppers. We need a green onion. Oh, sorry. a red onion. We need zucchini, pineapples, mushrooms, and of course we need our skewers. So to season our veggie kabobs, we're gonna need of course salt and pepper, and also we need the soyaki sauce. So if you have teriyaki sauce at home, then you can use that, or you can also make your own. So I have a recipe in the description of this video, so you can use that. And also you will drizzle olive oil on your veggie kebab, and yeah, so that will be your last ingredient. Okay, let's begin. Okay, so we are going to cut our veggies at almost the same size. Wow, okay, so probably cubed. And then as it begins to get bigger, then we can cut it into like probably like this size, like an inch. So I had this veggie kabobs at a baby shower, like I don't know how many Sundays ago, like a few Sundays ago. This is for Logan, our friend Logan, and Daria's baby shower, and Logan's dad made this for us, and it's so good. I was like, oh, I need to make that, and I need to share it with everyone. So this is not really my original recipe, but you know, you can always tweak recipes and make it your own. So I'm cutting the mushrooms right now. I'm cutting them in half because they easily break apart. So it's better if they're bigger size. So with the onion, it's kind of tricky, but we'll try to make it work. Because you know how they're small inside, but the outer layers are bigger. So if you cut them really small, they will break apart. So we're gonna start with our skewers. Okay, so we're gonna start with the red bell pepper. So here, just poke them in the middle. And, Let's do zucchini. You just have to be careful because you might poke yourself. Okay, that's good. And then we can do, what should we do next? We can do pineapples. Like this. Let's do pineapples. You can actually do however you want it. But then it's important also to you know, plan it so that all the flavors will be even. Also like this one, so you have to be careful when you're doing with the poking the mushrooms because it breaks apart. So I hope that should be fine. And now I'm gonna lock it in with a onion right there. So now it's locked. And then you can just repeat the process. We'll do the yellow peppers. Did I not forget anything? Okay. And then we can do zucchini again. There we go. That. And then we can do the same thing. So we have zucchini, and we can do pineapples again. Pineapples. And you can just lock it again with another onion. I love onions, but if you don't love onions, then you can always skip. But onions add a lot of flavor. Here's your veggie kebab. Okay, so I'm gonna do everything and just watch it. Okay, so I'm gonna make one for the kids. So the kids probably won't eat onions, so we're just gonna do yellow bell pepper. Okay, so this one, I think I need to pull this out. And then we're gonna do zucchini. So our veggie skewers are ready. So look at them. They're so colorful, they're so pretty and so yummy. So before you grill it, that's when you add all your seasonings. Because if you add salt and pepper right now, so your veggies will get watery, or you know, because the salt will pull out water and it's not gonna be good. So just keep them in the fridge if you're not ready yet. Just cover them with saran wrap and then season them with salt and pepper when you're ready. And then before you grill it, that's when you drizzle your teriyaki sauce or island soyaki sauce, and then brush them with extra virgin olive oil. Thank you, Henry, for helping us today. It's good. Oh, that's good. I think that's too spicy, but, but that will be fine. That's for the adults. Okay. So that's gonna go in the grill now. So you know what? You can put some more at the. Oh no, no, the sauce, the soyaki sauce. Yes. I'm gonna turn this around.
That smells good.
Yeah. So just like that, everyone, this is very easy. Right here. There. Okay, so this will go in the grill.
Okay.
Thank you, Henry, for coming and helping us.
Let's just it like that.
Yeah,
All
so
of it?
that should be like that. So we'll have grill marks. Okay, we can start with
This, yeah.
So what's our temperature here?
300.
300.
750.
Okay, so that will grill for probably just until the zucchini is done, like kind of translucent, right? Okay, so we'll check it again.
So covered?
So, I forgot to tell you that you should, what do you call this?
Baste.
Drizzle or baste your, just like when you're barbecuing, baste it with the sauce that you made so that the
Hi, Sarah.
veggies won't dry. There. So, just like that. Okay. And then, wait until it's done. So, when you flip it, then you baste it again. And
You can see the kababs are almost done. What do you think about the other veggies there? You think they're good? Oh, Olive.
oh, there's mushrooms. I like the mushrooms.
Yes. Okay, so I think we're gonna cook for a little bit longer. Okay, so we are almost done here with our kebab. Don't
I think
Don't
it's easier if
plug
I just
that.
use
Don't
my
plug
hand.
that.
There you go.
Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so we are done with our kebabs. Let's show how they look like. All right, I'm gonna go over here.
good.
So it smells good because of the onions and the pineapples, and that's how they look like. They look so perfect. Okay, thank you everyone for watching, and thank you Hazel and Henry for coming today to help me grill our kebabs, veggie kebabs. Thank you. Come back again at Sarah's Table, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share our videos. Bye. I hope you like this episode. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and make some kebabs at home. Bye. Thank you for watching.